Thank you very much for this opportunity to be a participant of this first National Conference on Social Protection, which was focusing on the adaptive social protection elements and specifically looking at data and integration as well as institutional arrangements and partnerships, two main pillars of an adaptive social protection framework. I had the honor to listen to 3 days of discussions amongst key government stakeholders and development partners on how to advance the already very successful Pakistan social protection program, and listen to Madam's minister and her speech on how to advance the role of women in advancing social protection here in Pakistan. I think I learned a lot along with all the other conference participants, and at the end of the conference there was even a conclusion to work harder and stronger together in the future years to come. So I think we all took home quite a few lessons and packages to work on in the coming years to make the social protection system in Pakistan even more responsive and adaptive to prepare and be ready in case of any future shocks. Thank you very much.